Double lot in Lake Livingston Subdivision. Ready to get away? This double lot in the Lake Livingston Subdivision of Pinecrest Estates is a great option. Located just a few blocks from the subdivision boat ramp and swimming pool, this wooded double lot offers a great location to build your weekend getaway or full-time residence. Enjoy all of the recreational opportunities that the Trinity River and Lake Livingston have to offer: boating, fishing, skiing, and water sports. Only a short drive to the Sam Houston National Forest or the Davy Crockett National Forest for even more outdoor fun.